Hi, welcome to the Dutch Value Investor channel, the channel where I help you find the best value stocks to put on your watch list. In this video, I will show you where to find all the information you need for a thorough fundamental stock analysis. And since I'm a Dutch guy, you know I want my information for free.
We are opening the world's first free store.
So, let's get to it. In order to perform a thorough fundamental stock analysis, we first want to establish if the future of the company is predictable or not. The way we can do this is by looking at the track record of the company, at least dating back 5 years, but preferably 10 years or more. There are a lot of websites offering 10-year historical financial data, but most of them are subscription-based and charge you monthly for their services. I wanted my information for free, and I'll show you where you can find it too. The first website I found was stock2own.com. They offer free 10-year financial data from a lot of American, European, Canadian, and Australian companies. You can find quarterly and yearly information. They also offer some extra functionalities like a stock screener, growth values, and a valuation tool. 95% of the times the information matched the official financial reports. Sometimes the information is a bit delayed, but I never encountered big differences with the official reports. The second website is macrotrends.net. They offer free 10-year financial data from companies all over the world. They also offer quarterly and yearly information. The great extra feature they offer is the Price Ratios tab. Here you can find the 10-year historical PE levels. This is very helpful for determining a reasonable future PE level. The other great thing they offer is the stock screener tool, especially for a value investor looking for steady growth rates. The tool is well laid out and easy to use. Now that we can determine if the company has a steady track record and is fairly predictable, we can now focus on the medium and long-term future. Since you are here on YouTube watching videos about stocks and valuing companies, you are probably not a Wall Street analyst, and you are probably not in a position to thoroughly analyze all the financial reports and company future outlook statements. This is why I think it is important to look at what professional analysts think about the future of the company. We do not want to put all our faith in the hands of analysts, but we want to use it as a guideline and reference. As a value investor, we are not just looking at next year, we are looking further out into the future. So we also want our analyst projections further out into the future. The best analyst projections I could find for free were 5-year projections. Any further out into the future were just guesstimates and hold no real value in my opinion. The websites I use for 5-year analyst projections are Zacks and Yahoo. These projections are updated regularly, and it is especially important to check for updates after a quarterly or yearly report. Now you have access to all the free information you need to do your fundamental analysis. Finally, I have one more tip, which is a bit of a cheapskate move. But it works and gives you access to a lot of articles from analysts and stock market news. It can probably be done on a lot of websites with stock market articles where you have to be a paying member in order to read the full article, as long as they show a quick preview of the whole article. This is how it works. Press Ctrl-Shift-I, then Ctrl-Shift-P, and type full. You now see a button called Screenshot. If pressed, it makes a screenshot of the whole page, not just what is shown on the screen. Open the article, and if you click on Screenshot the moment the short preview of the article is showing, you can read the full article as an image. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.